Today I came across a very annoying problem. It might affect a lot of people. So I went about finding a solution that can be cheap and free. Without wasting more time on the video, my laptop headphone jack auxiliary port broke. If you're someone like me, and I'm sure a lot of people, you go to university, you're in campus, you're in the library, and you need it to work. So you must be saying, I need to go and get it fixed, I need to pay money. But we found an easy, free solution that actually worked. So I'm gonna introduce a very interesting app. It's called SoundWire. This is not a promotion video. We're not getting paid by SoundWire, but if they're offering, we'll always be here. SoundWire is a mobile app that turns your phone into a wireless aux port. You don't have to pay money, it's a free app. So you just go on Google Play, you download it on your mobile device, then you go to your PC and download the Windows or Mac version if you use an Apple device. So once you have both apps downloaded and installed on your mobile device and your PC, you have to open both of them at the same time. So in order to connect your mobile device to your laptop, you have to click that SoundWire spiral on the mobile device. Just click it. Once you click it, you're connected. That's pretty much it. Once you're done, you have an easy, free way of fixing your aux problem. Now, they do have a paid app with more features, but it's really not necessary because the quality is actually good. But if you do want a paid version for better quality, better sound quality, you can get that as well. If it's only get it if it's cheaper than fixing the aux, but probably is cheaper. So I would recommend the app. It's a good app, simple app, very easy to use, easy interface. You're not gonna have a problem. All the links are down in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give a like. It helps us a lot, helps us on the YouTube algorithm. Catch you all on the next video.